Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Cortez Auto Detailing. I'm Chris, and today I'm going to be doing a full detail on a black BMW 328i. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe. Before I start on the interior, I like to go ahead and take everything out. That way I don't have to try to work around it. That way I know I don't miss anything. One of the first things I like to do is go ahead and vacuum to try to get some of the dirt and dust out of the vehicle, especially in vehicles that have a lot of dust in them. This helps to avoid dust getting stirred up and resettling as I get in and out of the car. As you guys can see, the dash is pretty dusty, so I'm using a detail brush to sweep the dust into the vacuum. Once I'm done with the dash, I'm going to go ahead and remove some of the dust that's in the air vents around the radio and behind the steering wheel. steering wheel and the controls behind it are typically one of the dirtiest areas of a car because the driver is always in contact with it. I've found that one of the most effective ways to break down the dirt that has accumulated over time is a toothbrush and an all-purpose cleaner. The bristles on the toothbrush are stiffer than the bristles on a detail brush, so it breaks down the dirt much faster. Once I'm done, I like to go over it one more time with a detail brush to get into the areas where the toothbrush couldn't reach. For the dash, I used my all-purpose cleaner. I used a toothbrush to get the small area right below the windshield. Then I used a detail brush to clean the rest of it. To clean the air vents, I use my all-purpose cleaner and a detail brush. After cleaning them with the detail brush, I use my steamer to make sure I got everything. I start cleaning the cup holders and area around the gear shifter by using the detail brush and the vacuum to remove any debris or dust. After that, I use my all-purpose cleaner, detail brush, and steamer. The steamer is always great to use around this area, especially if there's any sticky cleaning the doors, before I start, I roll the windows down to avoid getting any overspray on them. I clean them from top to bottom with my all-purpose cleaner and detail brush. I always make sure to get behind the door handle and around the window switches. For the carpets, I'm spraying the cleaning solution on them, then using a drill brush to scrub the cleaner into the carpet fibers. After going over the floor mats with the drill brush, I use my extractor with only water in the tank to rinse out the carpets and pull out the cleaning solution. Then I go over the carpets with the extractor again without spraying any water to get them as dry as possible. Unfortunately, my camera battery died, so I couldn't film me washing the exterior, but I did wash it, then I clay barred it. This BMW had some pretty bad swirl marks, so I polished it and was able to remove almost all of them. After polishing it, the paint looked so much better. I was really happy with the end results. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.